Installation of the new onboard unit under ERP 2.0 will roll out from November the 1st. It will be done in phases, starting with fleet vehicles. When it's their turn, vehicle owners will get instructions from the Land Transport Authority via a letter, email, and/or SMS on how they can schedule an appointment. From the first quarter of 2024, new vehicles will come fitted with the OBU. Installation for remaining existing vehicles will be scheduled in batches based on their age. Installation is free if completed within the 2-month period stated in the notification. A car OBU will have 3 components: a processing unit, an antenna, and a touchscreen display. The display will give ERP-related information, such as ERP charges and card balance, as well as road and traffic updates. When all vehicles have transitioned to ERP 2.0, other features like real-time traffic alerts and roadside parking payments will become available. Motorists can opt out of installing the touchscreen display. Instead, they'll receive the information on compatible mobile apps.